Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Z James with the Z32 Workshop. Just thought I'd let you know that I am going to be removing this rubber gasket. This should be a super short video. I think I figured it out a little bit. I just looking at it. So I'm going to get you guys on a tripod, show you what I'm doing, and I'll get you flipped around. Once again, thanks for the channel. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Find it informative and helpful for later on. All right, we're looking at the rubber gasket here. There are 2 screws that I've seen so far, but this thing rides in a channel, which I'm trying to see if I can show you. You can see it right there. There's a screw. If you do this ever so slightly, you pull it up out of the channel. Hang on. See how I'm doing this? That should make this thing, oh yeah, that's all one piece. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let me guys get you on the stand. Alright, everyone. So you just slowly pull this up. No, don't force it too hard. Don't force it too much. There's a channel this rides in. Now, I got a feeling it's glued in the corner over here. This is amazing looking. Come on, baby, don't rip on me now. Just sort of sticking my finger in here to look. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Got another one. All right. If you look right there, and zoom, screw. So you got 1, 2, 3, and you can just pull up on the channel here. Oh, look at that. It's so buttery smooth. I love it. All right, let me get the screwdriver and we'll get that stuff off here. Hang on. I am so excited, everybody. I wasn't sure how to get that out of there. But just like everything on this project, I'm sorry, I'm far away from the camera here. But just like everything on this project, if you take your time, oh boy, I hope I'm centered. Take your time on these, you will eventually figure out what's going on to understand. So, let's get this one screw out of the way. Come on, bad boy. I knew there had to be a couple in here. Oop. Just gonna go real gently here. All right. I'll put you on time lapse so you guys aren't wasting a whole bunch of your morning with me. Hang on. Everyone, you gotta work this corner. These aren't screws, they're like pushing tabs. There's 1, 2 is one on the side, 3 right here. Once you get it, you can be able to pull and work this rubber out. Watch. It's gonna get into a bit of trouble here in the corner. Hear all that? That is crud, rust, and all sorts of gunk. So that is this corner. Now, you can see that this rubber isn't in the best shape. But you know what I'm doing? hanging on to it, because this rubber is hard to come by. I'm assuming it's hard to come by. But then you got these channels here that this stuff rides in. You can see that the drain right here is clogged up. It was clogged up, it's capturing, and I think this is where these rust at. Would be my guess. Also, one thing I want to show you, because I think it's just pretty as can be. You see that blending of black and red? I think that is a pretty color. Weird thing to say, unusual thing to say, but it's a nice mix. So that's how you get that off. I'm going to do the other side now. Should be the same process pretty quickly. But while I'm doing this, I'm going to take this channel out, and we'll do that right now. So hang on. Looks like there's one screw. One screw. Two screw. Three screw. Probably four of these. There's at least three. This one's pretty rusty. You can tell the water runs down the door. Well, that went somewhere in the garage. And then I think there's a fourth one right here in the corner. Pretty rusty though. It's where the downspout comes. Oh, come on. Bite. Shoot. Let's see if you guys can see it. That guy right there is being a pain in the keister. Because, well, frankly, there ain't much of it left. Let's see if I can get you out. Oh no, we're gonna have to drill that one out, folks. And I think there's one right there as well. That's all. Yeah, we're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to get the drill out to get those out. But that's how you get that channel out. This channel is the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm assuming there's 7 or 8 of them. Let me get that out of the way, and we'll get this other side taken care of. Alright, everybody. Let's see if I can show you. This right here, I'm assuming is where all these rust. Into the channel, into the rubber. I'm assuming it plugs up, water stays back there, and gets rusted. It's on both sides. And then you can see this screw. And sorry about the movement. That one's messed up. Channel otherwise is clean until you get down here. These rubbers have a built-in, right there, drain on them. This rubber is actually not in great shape. I mean, it's not bad. I'm definitely hanging on to it. Like I said, it's unobtainium, but it's got rust on it. Extra glue. It did not want to come off. I mean, hell, you could see that it pulled some body paint off with it in a corner, because that's actually pretty hard. So that's that. Let me get flipped around. We'll call her in for the day. All right, guys. That's gonna do it for today's video. Short, sweet. Just about getting the rubber and the trays, because I didn't do it, but I'll get them off the car to get them taken care of. So if you guys have any comments, hit me up. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Every little bit helps. I love it. And thanks for being with me on this journey of tearing this car apart. especially stuff like that, which is ever so slow, yet making progress. So, all right, catch you all later. You all have a good day.